instructional videos. Today we are going to set up the power pedestal. So before you begin, there's a few things you will need. You'll need a power strip and an extension cord, which are not included with the power pedestal. So first thing we're going to do is remove all the parts from this convenient carry case. So first thing we're going to do is connect the poles to the top and bottom of the power pedestal. So to connect the poles, we're just going to match the numbers on the poles to the numbers on either the top or bottom of the frame, and then we're just going to screw it into place. And I'm just going to repeat these steps for all the poles. Now that we have the poles connected to the frame, we're going to install the graphic onto the bottom portion of the podium. So the bottom portion of the podium will be the smaller circle. The larger circle is the top. So to install the graphic, you're just simply going to push the gaskets of the graphic into the channel on the bottom. And as you're putting on the graphic, you'll notice that there is a channel cut out on the bottom for the power cord. So you just want to make a note of that because we'll end up feeding the power cord through there. So to attach the graphic, I'm just going to put the graphic around the circle, and then using the gaskets, I'm just going to press it into place. You're just going to fold over the gasket and press the seams or the stitching into the channel. Once you have the graphic on, we're going to insert the power strip through the hole on the bottom and then run the extension cord through the channel. So I'm just going to insert the power strip through the hole. I'm just going to pull it up so that the extension cord is also in the hole, through the hole. And then I'm going to run the extension cord through the cutout on the bottom. Now that I have my power strip through the hole, I'm just going to insert the chargers onto the power strip. I'm not going to connect the USB cords quite yet. I'm going to continue to build up my display. So next we're going to insert the top of the podium onto the poles, and as you're inserting, you want to make sure to match the numbers to the numbers on the pole. Now that I have my top on, I'm ready to connect the USB cords to the power outlet. So I'm just going to slide the cords through the holes on the top. And I'm going to slide all three through separate holes. Once I have the cord slid through, I'm just going to attach them to the power charger. Now that I have my cords connected, we're ready to install the graphic. So I'm just going to slide my graphic up, and we're going to use the same process that we used for the bottom. We're just going to take the channels sewn into the graphic and push them into the notch located on the top of the power pedestal. And you're just going to work your way around the frame. Once you have the graphic attached, you can plug in your power pedestal. And you can plug in your device to charge. And it's just that easy to set up your power pedestal.